CapCut can make great videos for your food business. Aside from enabling you to edit existing ones created in another app like Canva. Follow these steps in creating a video using CapCut. First step ay patakbuhin si CapCut by selecting its icon. And then tap the plus sign to create a new project. And then scroll down and select those photos that you want to include in the video. Now I have the photos selected and I can move a photo by simply tapping on it and dragging it to where I want to move it. First thing first is to set the cover for the video. Simply tap the cover box and then scroll to the right and select the photo that you want to be the cover of the video. Tap save at the rightmost corner of the screen to save the photo as your cover. Now, let's make each photo animate by tapping on each photo and selecting animation. And then selecting the preferred movement of the photo. Do the same procedure on all other photos if you want to make them move or animate. You can now remove the CapCut end credit by simply tapping on it and choosing delete. We can now put a background sound for the video by simply tapping a photo and then choosing effects. Let's scroll to the right and select a particular group of background sound. In this case, we'll select BGM and rhythmic music. Since bitin ng music, we can extend it up to the end of the video by tapping on it and selecting copy. Another thing that we can add is voiceover. Just select voiceover and then tap hold to record and keep it pressed until you're done with the voiceover. This is the demo of CapCut. We can now put some text on the video. Select text and type the words. To change the design of the words, simply tap Style and select the desired style. We can enlarge the words or move its location by simply tapping on it and dragging it. To make the label encompass the entire video, tap on it and drag it until the end of the video. Now we can put a sticker by selecting sticker and scrolling and selecting one that is desired. We can put the sticker on a desired place by simply tapping on it and dragging and dropping it. Alright, the video is now done and it's time to save it. And it can now be uploaded in social media platforms like TikTok or YouTube. Easy yarn! Yun no, itry mo na ang CapCut app, kasosyo. Bilis! Download it now to your mobile phone and follow the steps in this video.